Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble a felt poppy flower. And basically what I have here are my petals and a base reference piece and the fringe centered little pieces cut out of felt. I used my Cricut cutting machine to cut these pieces, so it was a little bit faster, but this particular project you can easily cut just by hand with scissors. So I like to use my hot glue gun for these felt projects instead of sewing, and it's so much faster. The first thing you want to do is you want to prepare all the petals. So the way I do that is I create just the tiniest bit of glue on the base, and then you fold it over so that it has more of a three-dimensional effect. And just hold it in place for a second. Oops, put that off to the side. So you want to be really careful here. You want to pinch it for a couple seconds so it dries, but you also don't want to burn yourself. Again, not too much glue, because if you put too much glue, then it takes forever to set and tends to come apart. And you might have to redo one or two of them. This is a really easy felt flower that's perfect for a hair clip or hairband. It's super cute. So next we just want to, we're going to put this one on the bottom here because it just doesn't want it. So here I have a hexagon. I think for a second what polygon this was. And I'm going to use this as a reference point to place the petals so that they're symmetrical. So the first layer that we want to do is you want to find 3 opposing sides and put a dab of glue on those 3 sides. And then the next layer is you want to offset the petals. There you go. So now we want to make the centerpiece, and basically you just want to roll the yellow centermost piece, put a little dab of glue, hold it in place. I'm going to roll and then glue it to the next black piece. A little glue to hold it in place. And then a little glue in the middle here. And you can flare out some of the black petals. That's it.